Hey, it's Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, and my buddy's green street glide is back. So we did several videos on this bike. We have some new parts from HogWorkz to install, some Havoc sissy bar and engine guards. We're going to get that stuff on here. Then we're going to do a walk around and show you all the upgrades we've done to the bike. 'Cause I think we did a few things that we may not have filmed. And we'll just show you all the mods he's got done on it so far. We got a few more things I think he wants to do this winter. We'll talk about that too in a minute. Let's get this engine guard on here. He's trying to black this thing out. So that chrome engine guard down there is the first thing that we're going to take off today. We're going to keep his black highway pegs and put those back on the new bar. But have you seen that Havoc stuff from HogWorkz? It's really pretty cool. It's pointed. We're going to show it to you in just a second. All right, the old one's off. It's pretty easy to take the engine guard off. You have one bolt up there, and then one right down here on each side. 3 bolts is all that holds it. Let's get the new one on. All right, we've got the Havoc engine guard installed. The sissy bar comes already assembled, so we slap that on there. That's really easy. It's just like any other quick detach sissy bar. Let's take a look at how this stuff looks on this bike. Now, if you didn't watch the other videos, we did a whole series on this bike being torn down. It used to be denim black. He had it painted green by a friend of ours, and then we put it all back together. We've done a couple other videos on some parts for it and stuff, so let's take a look at how this stuff looks, and then we'll give you a complete walk around on the bike of the upgrades he's done on it and what we have planned to do still. And there's that Havoc engine guard, comes up, kind of comes to a point to it. Really lines out well with the sissy bar on here. There's that Havoc sissy bar that comes up and kind of comes to a point and comes back and stuff. That looks really good. This all comes pre-assembled for you, so all you got to do is throw it in your 4-point dock. All right, so we'll tell you about some of the upgrades real quick. Clockworks windshield, custom paint. We got some spotlights on these. So these are not stock for a street glide. So he did some LED passing lamps on here, an LED headlight. I think those all came off of Amazon. Of course, front axle nut covers are blacked out. The engine is not blacked out yet. That's one of the things he wants to do this winter is change out like this chrome primary and horn cover and the rocker boxes for blacked out look. He got those floorboards off of eBay if anybody's looking for them. You got kind of a matching rear floorboard. Got some KST 16-inch handlebars here, and these have that point in there, so they work really well with the Havoc system that he put on here just now from HogWorkz and stuff. And got some black hand guards. Just because your hands are up in the air more helps kind of keep them a little warmer in the winter, keep some of the wind off of them, and it helps protect you from bugs and rocks and shit like that when you're going down the highway. Blacked out the fuel cap. That's a Harley-Davidson parts and accessories. He's running a Mustang touring seat. This is a 2-piece. This is one of the other upgrades we did on this bike. He put on the TCMT rear suspension with the reservoirs and stuff, and he's really happy with that. We also did some TCMT lights back here to black out that rear light bar. That's Tab Performance exhaust he's running here. He's had those on there since right after the bike was new. So running some tabs. The zombie baffles, it sounds really good. All right, we're going to go ahead and get his highway pegs on this thing and take it for a test ride so he can see how they set up is on them, see if we need to adjust them any. And we'll see how this thing looks going down the road. All right, my buddy Nick went on home after we got done taking some photos of his bike at the lake. But I think the Havoc Sissy Bar looks great on his bike. He really likes the blacked out engine guards over the chrome. It's starting to come together. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of the HogWorkz Sissy Bar and engine guard we installed? And what do you think of his bike overall? I mean, green's not everybody's favorite color, but it does kind of pop. He's been getting a lot of comments and a lot of likes and stuff on social media from it. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Y'all stay safe, keep on riding, and we'll see you in the next one.